Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayuri Jadhav and I am going to talk about material uses variance and material rate variance. So I am going to cover all of this point: introduction to variance, interpretation of material uses variance, interpretation of material rate variance, and comparison between material uses variance and material rate variance. So first, introduction to variance, material uses variance and material rate variance. Definition of material variance. Material uses variance refers to the disparity between the actual quantity of material consumed during the production and the quantity that should have been used according to the standards. It helps organization evaluate the effectiveness of their material utilization in the product process. Material rate variance. Material rate variance measures the difference between the standard cost of material and the actual cost incurred due to the fluctuations, highlighting how price change impact overall material expenditure and profitability. So, important of variance: efficiency assessment, cost control, and decision making. Efficiency assessment, analyzing various aids and assessing operational efficiency, enabling management to PowerPoint in efficiencies and drive important in the production process to enhance overall productivity. Second, cost control, monitoring variance is crucial for the cost control as it allows business to identify any discrepancies between expected and actual cost, facilitating early corrective action to maintain budgetary constraints. So last one, decision making. Variance analysis provide essential data for decision making process, ensuring informed choice about pricing, procedure and product strategy are made based on accurate financial insights. So material uses variance. Definition and formula. Material use variance explanation. Material uses variance is indicative of the effective of material consumed in the productive settings, servicing as a visual matrix for evaluating waste and ensuring optimal resource utilization. Formula of MUV: it is material uses variance is equal to actual quantity used minus standard quantity allowed into standard price. This equation calculated if the efficiency of material consumed relative to establishment benchmarks. Key component: actual quantity used, standard price, standard quantity allowed. Actual quantity allowed, actual quantity used. This represents the total amount of material that was consumed in the production process, providing a basic of measuring performance against the standard quantity allowed. The standard quantity allowed is predetermined based on inefficiency criteria and specimen of how material should be used given actual product level, servicing as the benchmark for analyze. Standard price. The standard price refers to the estimate cost price per unit of material which is used in MUV. Calculate to value the variance accurately based on expected cost assumption. So interpretation of MUV: favorable variance and unfavorable variance. A favorable MUV indicates that less material was used than planned, suggesting efficiency used of resource and potential cost saving for the business. Unfavorable variance and unfavorable MUV signifies that more material was consumed than expected, pointing to the inefficiencies, wastage, and potential issue in the production process. So, important of MUV: improving production efficiency, setting business goal, reporting to the stakeholder. Material rate variance. So, here is the definition and the formula. Material rate variance: evaluate the financial impact of difference between budgetary material cost and actual expenditure, underscoring the importance of effective procedure strategy managing production cost. MRV formula. Material rate variance is equal to standard price per unit minus actual price per unit into actual quantity used. Key component: standard price per unit, actual price per unit, actual quantity used. Standard price per unit is the expected cost assigned to each unit of material, serving as a financial benchmark for evaluating actual expenditure and performance. Actual price per unit: this refers to the real cost incurred for each unit of material, reflecting market condition and negotiation capability at the time of purchase. Actual quantity used: actual quantity used denote the amount of material consumed in the production. Provide context for understanding cost variance tied to price changes. Interpretation of MRV. So there is a favorable variance and unfavorable variance. A favorable variance MRV occurs when the actual material price is lower than the standard price, indicating that the purchasing department has effectively negotiated better, better pricing, leading and cost saving. Unfavorable variance and unfavorable MRV arise when the actual material price exceeds the standard price, which may signals increase in market price or purchasing inefficiencies that could affect the bottom line. Importance of MRV: budget improvement, cost control, and informed decision making. Comparison between MUV and MRV. So, material measurement focused. Material use variance focused on efficiency of material used in the term of quantity, while MRV center on the cost of difference associated with material pricing, illustrating differentiate complementary aspect of cost variance. Causes of variance. MUV variance are often caused by inefficient use of material waste or theft, where material rate variance typically result from fluctuation in material price due to the market dynamic or supply negotiation. Responsibility department. MUV is a preliminary monitored by the production department, which is responsible for the managing material use, while MRV overview by the procurement. Type of variance. MUV pertains specifically to the quantity of material consumed and stress their efficiently used. MRV, which is concerned with the price variances of those materials. Thank you.